Welcome friends. Now in this video we'll discuss the NEET controversy and how the NEET controversy has ended. What is the decision of the Supreme Court and also we will reflect on the grace marks. ये grace marks NTA ने दिए ही क्यों and should the NTA give grace marks in future also? Now look here, NEET में जो grace marks दिए गए थे कुछ students को, those grace marks have been cancelled. The Supreme Court has cancelled the grace marks that were awarded because that was the source of the controversy. उसी के वजह से सारी controversy थी, सारे allegations थे कि exam paper leak हो गया, fraud हो गया. So now there will be a retest फॉर दी अफेक्टेड स्टूडेंट्स. जिन स्टूडेंट्स को ग्रेस मार्क्स मिले थे उन सबके ग्रेस मार्क्स विड्रॉ कर लिए गए हैं एंड नाउ दे हैव द ऑप्शन ऑफ ईदर सिटिंग फॉर अ रीटेस्ट और एक्सेप्टिंग देयर स्कोर विदाउट ग्रेस मार्क्स. लुक हियर, दिस इज अ आर्टिकल फ्रॉम द इंडियन एक्सप्रेस न्यूज़पेपर. सो ऑल ऑफ देम आर इंडिकेटिंग दिस. बट ये भी जानना जरूरी है दैट व्हाई द एनटीए अवॉर्डेड ग्रेस मार्क्स इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस. शुड इट अवॉर्ड ग्रेस मार्क्स इन फ्यूचर इन अदर एग्जाम्स ऑल्सो? बिकॉज रिमेंबर द एनटीए ऑल्सो कंडक्ट्स यूजीसी NET and also other exams. So in this video we'll discuss this. If you are an exam aspirant, then this video will be useful. But before moving ahead, if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on Telegram, okay? And this is the official link, Harsh Singh Sir Official. And this is a brief about me, you can read here, okay? And one more announcement, if you are preparing for UGC NET English, then a new batch starts on the 1st of July. For enrollment or any inquiries relating to the course, just call or WhatsApp us on this number given above 7678160296, okay? And similarly, if you are preparing for CUET PG English, remember CUET PG is also conducted by NTA, okay? A new batch starts on the 1st of July and this is for next year 2025 के लिए अगर आप तैयारी कर रहे हैं, which is MA English entrance, you can join our new batch. Now coming back, now NTA has cancelled the grace marks that it gave to some students. Now उसी के वजह से ये सारे protests हो रहे थे. And remember that the grace marks were awarded to not one, not two, but around 1500 candidates. उसी की वजह से बहुत सारे ऐसे candidates भी थे who got 720 out of 720, मतलब 100% score आ गया था उनका. So other students who didn't get that benefit were naturally aggrieved and they protested. So what is the final outcome of this NEET controversy? See, the National Testing Agency will reconduct this test, this NEET exam, UG exam, but only for 1500 students, ठीक है, on June the 23rd. ये आप ध्यान रखना. And the affected candidates will now be given two options. Either they should accept their original score without the grace marks, or they can reappear for the exam on June 23rd. ठीक है. उसके बाद एक और चीज आप ध्यान रखना that if you are an aspirant, the exam will be conducted in only 6 cities but different centers. Now, why did all of this happen? Because there were many allegations that were being leveled against the NTA, and the Supreme Court of India has accepted the center's proposal to hold a retest and cancel the result of around 1500 candidates जिनको grace marks मिले थे. But the good thing is that after the retest, results will be declared early so that the affected students can also sit for medical counseling. Now keep in mind that the grace marks were awarded because NTA ने कहा that some students complained of loss of time. Some said that exam did not begin on time, so they should be compensated for that. Because of which the NTA applied a normalization formula. ठीक है, इसे normalization formula कहते हैं. Now keep in mind that the same normalization formula had been adopted earlier and was approved by the Supreme Court. ठीक है, but वो किसी और एग्जाम के लिए था, वो CLAT के लिए था, CLAT, CLAT examination in 2018. तो उसके बेसिस पे इन लोगों ने इस बार भी नीट के एग्जाम के लिए ग्रेस मार्क्स अवॉर्ड कर दिए. So ultimately what has happened is the Ministry of Education or the central government has decided to withdraw the grace marks and Supreme Court of India has agreed. But a related question that arises is, should grace marks be awarded like this in other exams also? Because ये जो situation है that exam started late or somehow enough time was not given. This can happen not in one exam but almost every exam. बहुत सारे अलग अलग center हैं. So what do you think? नीचे आप comments में लिख के बताओ whether grace marks should be awarded or not, or should the NTA conduct retests if there is loss of time so that nobody is adversely affected. अगर किसी candidate को कम time मिला then they should be allowed to take a retest, और बाकी कैंडिडेट्स को जिनको कभी भी ग्रेस मार्क्स नहीं मिले एटलीस्ट दे विल नॉट फील दैट इट वाज अनफेयर और somebody had a unfair advantage. ठीक है, so we can just hope that in future these problems don't arise, and if at all they arise, they are sorted out in a fair way, fair and reasonable way. And one more announcement, if you are preparing for Jamia's PG English entrance exam for next year, a new batch starts on the 1st of July. Now in this Guidance program, we cover not only MCQ type questions but also essay writing is covered. Essay type questions are also covered because as we all know in Jamia multiple choice questions तो आते ही हैं, साथ में essay type questions भी आते हैं. So if you are looking for a comprehensive preparatory course guidance program, then join this batch.